They wanna take me away, throw me in the backseat rainy day. Made me promise I wouldn't.
Hello! Roscoe, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Found a new lamp on Marketplace. I've been trying to find something to like curve into this space. I just got back from being at the post office where I have posted Jahan's package, who I'm doing a collaborative video with for a like festive season table setting. So I'm like so excited to see her reaction. And then also this morning during the Black Friday sales, leading up to that, see if there was anything that I needed and pre-planned for it, just so I wouldn't impulse buy anything. One of the things that I did buy was a new linen set. We have had the same one for like, I don't know, a few years now, and the quality, like actually investing in good linen is so worthwhile. So I've just done a quick wash of that this morning and it's so beautiful. The cover is a pastel lilac, and then I got a fitted sheet which is a gingham. We got the pillowcases to match the Doona cover. So that's hanging out to dry. Our house turns into like a little cubby house. It's kind of cute. What else has been happening? Oh yeah, I finished my toweling jumper. So happy with how that turned out, and that is popping off on Instagram, so I need to finish editing that over the next day, get that up. Got some like new sponsored things in the works. It was the first of summer yesterday, but I need to do some work, so I'm gonna enjoy my iced coffee. I just thought I'd fill you guys in on a little what's been happening. I want to do more fun like little catch-up vlogs. I'm going into this excited. I feel like good vibes, so we'll see if that ends up matching or if it just ends up being Lenina the whole time and just raining. I guess I'll just get crafty inside if it does.
So dumb, raindrops on the window. I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. And the microphone on the wall. I'm upside down, singing down the hall. So dumb, raindrops on the window. I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all. And the microphone on the wall. I'm upside down, singing down the hall.
Love it. Time to go for a quick walk with the pug now. I feel like it has been a week and it is Friday night and I've got dinner at my cousin's house and I'm so excited to see them, but I'm also like, I'm just in that mood where I've got so much work. I would feel very comfortable staying home and catching up on it, but it is the festive season and I want to see people and I don't want to get in a rut where I think it is better to stay at home and get work done rather than go socialize. So as I'm not feeling very excited about life right now, I have just thrown on a baggy shirt, but I'm like, I kind of want to dress up slightly, but I want to be comfy. So I got my little silky bias skirt on and put this little chunky sandals on. This is a band shirt that we went and saw. Oh my god, the music's playing, sorry about that. At the moment I'm just like coordinating like 2 sponsorship things going live in the next week. I sent off some web design concepts today. I have been coordinating another partnership going on. I have been emailing, I feel like non-stop, and it's like one of those things like if I tried to film everything that I was doing, it's literally just me like sitting at the laptop all day just being like, inside it is just like a chaotic mess, and on the outside I'm drifting like a round river. That's me when I work. I'm also going to stop at the shops because I'm meant to take something, so I can literally just throw together when I get there, which is like those bocconcini, tomato and basil like skewers, and maybe some balsamic drizzled on that. Quick throw together, just like my outfit and my life right now.
Got myself up in the backseat, driving to you on the back streets. All the other ones are asking, but I don't give a fuck, they nasty. I'm just trying to find you, cause I don't got no ties. We're running out of time, so I'll be home tonight.
It is a Saturday morning, but I kind of love working on Saturdays because, I don't know, it's busy everywhere anyway, so I might as well get something done and then I can go out later when it's hopefully a little bit less busier. I'm gonna get through a bit of work this morning and then I need to get my body and this oily hair in some salt water. I'm currently wearing my like Zulu and Zappa one piece with my DIY toweling shorts, but think I might save this piece to wear tomorrow in case we go surfing because it's really fun conditions. And I might wear this little two-piece. Let's load up the bike and get down to the beach. I'm gonna get an acai bowl.
Gotta keep hydrated on these summer days, you know?
We could stay home, but we might regret not getting outside yet. It's such beautiful weather. I could go out on my own. That would be a shame. Be a lot better if you came along. You know I can't go all alone. From the north side, pavement, and of course I'm caving. You know I can't go all alone, all alone, all alone.
I feel like I'm on that like end of year come down, like it's all hitting me and work is just piling up, so I've just been trying to like balance getting through that, be productive as well as getting out and about and enjoying this beautiful weather while it does, you know, pop up every now and then in between the rain. I hope you're enjoying these little vlog style things. If there's anything else you want to see, or if you're just liking the chill vibes, or if you want like more intel into, I don't know, any little aspect that you're enjoying that you want me to focus on more, let me know below and I'll try and do that. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming videos.